Hey there. Today I will be taking you through High Yield Savings Account, what it is, how it works, and why it's beneficial. What is a high yield savings account? A high yield savings account is a type of savings account that offers a significantly higher interest rate compared to traditional savings accounts. These accounts are typically offered by online banks, credit unions, and some traditional banks. The increased interest rate allows savers to grow their money more quickly, making it an attractive option for individuals looking to earn more on their deposits without the risks associated with investing. High-yield savings accounts are an excellent choice for building an emergency fund, saving for short-term goals, or simply maximizing the return on your cash. But how does this high-yield savings account work? Let's move around the key features of high-yield savings accounts. Higher interest rates. These accounts offer annual percentage yields APYs that are often 20 times higher than those of traditional savings accounts. The APY is variable and can change based on market conditions. Deposit and withdrawal flexibility. Like traditional savings accounts, you can deposit and withdraw funds as needed, though some accounts may have withdrawal limits. Low minimum balance requirements. Many high-yield accounts have no or low minimum balance requirements, making them accessible to a wide range of savers. FDIC or NCUA insurance. Deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor, providing a secure way to save money. Online accessibility. Many high-yield accounts are offered by online banks, providing easy access and management through digital platforms. Please don't lose focus. Benefits of a high-yield savings account are higher returns, as in earn more on your savings compared to traditional accounts, especially when interest rates rise. Liquidity. Funds are easily accessible, making it a safe place to store emergency savings or money for short-term goals. Safety and security. With FDIC or NCUA insurance, your money is protected against bank failures up to the insured limit. Low or no fees. Many high-yield accounts come with minimal fees, maximizing your earnings. Lastly, automation options. Set up automatic transfers to ensure consistent savings and growth. Drawbacks of a high-yield savings account: withdrawal limits. Some accounts limit the number of withdrawals per month, often to 6, due to federal regulations. Though this has been relaxed in recent years. Variable rates. The APY is not fixed and can decrease if market interest rates decline. Online-only banks. If offered by online banks, you may not have access to physical branches, which could be inconvenient for some users. Okay, so who should consider a high-yield savings account? High-yield savings accounts are ideal for individuals building an emergency fund, savers looking for a safe, low-risk way to earn higher interest on their money, those saving for short to medium-term goals, such as vacations or home improvements, people who prefer the convenience of online banking. A high-yield savings account is a smart financial tool for anyone looking to earn more on their savings while keeping their money secure and accessible. By offering competitive interest rates, minimal fees, and easy access through online platforms, these accounts are a practical choice for building wealth without taking on risk. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a big purchase, or simply seeking better returns on your cash, a high-yield savings account can help you achieve your financial goals. You good? Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons.